Hi, my name is Ankit Sen. I'm from Kolkata. Currently, I'm working as a software engineer at a company in 17 Life. Although I work from home. I was from I had my bachelor's in computer science engineering only, but I joined. I was working at that time. I was working at ITC Infotech as a SAP consultant. So that was a non-technical job. So I was and I had a passion of coding, so I wanted to switch my background profession to development role. So I joined Crio, and after that, many months later, I got the opportunity to join. So, yeah, I joined. There was multiple reasons actually. So I uh, I have only heard at that time. I have only heard about Crio, Scalar, and maybe Boss Coder, but for Crio, the course fee was comparatively less than that. That was one of the reason, and the course material was like some of them I thought I knew, but Crio gave me that clarification that like it actually polished my basics. So I've gone through the course material. That was very good, interesting, and the DSA part because I was very bad at DSA. That was the main triggering that I've been learning a lot of DSA and practicing, and I've also gone through the YouTube channels about that. That helped me choosing drive projects. To be honest, the projects were very basic. So after because I was a backend developer in Java, so for basic projects it was like okay. But after that, when I moved to like Spring Boot, the project was not at all good. It was fully basic, but I felt that it is not even a project. Like everything was done already, and some basic projects were due. So if I could give a feedback, I would suggest that to change that after I think that was B Java 1, Java 2. That was to change the project because it was very basics. Because in our working profession, those are not qualified as bare minimum as well. So that didn't help me, in my opinion. But the DSA part, yes, the mentors were very good. They basically for first two sprints they spoon feeded us, which actually helped because our concepts clear. Like for me as for me for sure that my concepts got cleared. So I think the DSA part was the best part in all. The coding, yeah, the base for the first few sprints, the basics were like very helpful. They polish that helped me polish my basics and gave me a clear. First, previously, what I like in college days, what happens like we get we hear those concepts or maybe some of the terminologies, but we learn that, but we don't. For in my case, I learned that I know something is that I could answer those things, but I was not like sure where to use those things. So after Cryo, I got the clarifications that where to use, why it is necessary, uh, where to use, how to use. So everything that cleared me a lot for the basics parts mainly. But as I told earlier as well, but for those basics are really important. But for the current market, the those will be not those will be not be enough for maybe a fresher or maybe for us. Those will be not be enough. So for the advanced part, there should be more, and I expected more because before when I started the journey, before I started the journey, those terminologies which were written in the course materials, they were very attractive. Like this will be taught here, but when I got to that particular, I cleared everything. When I got to the particular sprints, those were not there. Like those were the very basics things that were taught. I think the base normal oops one, for example, the oops concept was principle. Those sprints were my everybody starts from the very bottom. So I have to do something for myself. Nobody will do that. So I tried. I studied. I asked questions. I practiced on my own. So I did private projects. I did my own projects. Everything helped me a lot. But yeah, that there was fear, but definitely the confidence, I think, overcome my fear. Basically, if you say that I've dreamt of, no, I didn't get my dream job, but I expected something from Crio to help me getting some jobs. But after I completed my sprints, there was like in a month only one referral was there. I knew the job market was saturated, but I expected maybe some more interviews, maybe 1 or 2 interviews a month. That was I thought that was a bare minimum to ask for. Maybe because of the job market, it's not possible. But I didn't get my dream job. But yes, I switched to like before Crio only. Before Crio, I already sorry. So after 2-3 months joining Crio, I already switched my career to tech as a developer role without the help of Crio. So Crio helped me getting a hike maybe, but yes, but some things were promised. So those were, I think, as I know a bit, because there I'm not telling that Crio has the full fault, but there was mistakes from my side. There was some mistakes from Crio's side. Like the interviews, I got some interviews, but some maximum I didn't cleared. After that, I got this job from my end. So